Hey plant parents, I'm Vanessa Dawson, founder and CEO of Arber. Today we're going to run you guys through our indoor plant care routine. If you want your plants to be pest-free, disease-free, and just improve their overall plant health, then follow along and we'll show you what we do. Humans are in no short supply of wellness routines. You've got your vitamins that you take in the morning, a skincare regimen, health and fitness, and similar to humans, plants need something like that as well to keep them healthy and happy. In particular, your indoor plants get very stressed out. They're in containers that aren't always have nutrients in them. The soil is not changed regularly, and they're often in environments where the water and light and everything is not ideal. So at Arber, we're trying to make plant care easy and simple and creating these wellness routines for your plants and for you to keep your plant babies happy. Preventative care is always better than reactionary care when it comes to your bodies and when it comes to your plants. So at Arber, we put together these wellness routines that make it very simple for you to rinse and repeat our products every 2 weeks and just keep your plant babies happy and healthy. There are 3 products that we use in our indoor plant wellness routine. The first product is our plant food. This one is going to help obviously feed and nourish your plants from root to shoot. It's made of a recycled grocery store food waste, and it's just a very nutrient dense liquid compost. So it's gonna help with bigger blooms, greener leaves, and just overall healthy plant. Next up is our kind of defend part of our routine. So we're going to use our Bio Insecticide, which is a general pest control product that is very powerful for over 30 different types of pests and really great to use indoors because it's safe for your kids, for your pets, or anyone else that might accidentally get into this puppy. Then we're going to use also our Bio Fungicide. So this is really great disease control, mold prevention, and in particular for houseplants, root rot is often a really big issue, and this is going to really help with that. What's great about our products is that you can actually mix them all together and use these 3 products at the same time. So as you're doing your plant care routine every 2 weeks, it's just very simple to pull these guys out and treat your plants to their wellness routine. Okay, now for our defend routine, we're going to mix a 1/4 of an ounce of our insecticide. That's 1 capful if you're using our caps, which is super easy because you don't have to have a measuring tool. So 1 cap of insecticide, and we're gonna use our fungicide, 1 cap of our fungicide too. As I mentioned before, it's great because you can mix these 2 products together, so it's not like you have to do it twice and get it all done in one go. These 2 products we put into a 32-ounce spray bottle for my indoor plant care, and then I like to spray all of the plants in my house on their leaves and on their blooms as a prevention for foliar pests and foliar diseases. Okay, now that I've prepped my spray bottle with the insecticide and fungicide, then gonna prep my watering can with our plant food. The plant food is fairly concentrated, and you're only gonna want to use 4 capfuls for every 32 ounces of water, and a capful is a 1/4 of an ounce. And it also has a really nice, we added like a rosemary oil extract, so it has kind of a nice smell to it. It also gives it good benefits for your plants as well, having the rosemary oil in there too. So fill up your 32 ounce watering can, and you are ready to go. You've got your nutrients and your defense mechanism for happy, healthy plants. Okay, so for your defend routine, you're gonna wanna spray all of the leaves of the plant, covering, the tops, the bottoms, everything. And you don't want to wipe it off. I've seen some people wiping it off, but you actually really want it to stay on the plant and on the leaves and on the foliage. So once you're done spraying all of the leaves, then I actually like to water some of this into the soil too, because there's diseases and pests on the leaves. There's also obviously disease and pest problems that can occur in the soil. So it's nice to just give it a little boost of this too to help defend from soil-borne diseases. And you're done. We always get a lot of questions about what to do with all the liquid that might be left over once you've done spraying and watering a bit. I have a lot of houseplants, so I have no problem getting through a 32-ounce bottle. But if you do have extra, you can really put it anywhere, on your lawn, on your outdoor plants, or like I do, you know, just continue watering all of your plants with it too. All right, now we're gonna water our plants with our plant food. Now, every plant kind of has a different need in terms of its water. I usually water about every 2 to 3 weeks. I think primarily you really just want to make sure that you get all of the soil wet so that the water ends up seeping through all the way to the bottom, and then there's just a little bit of moisture kind of in the bottom of the tray. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any comments, then feel free to pop them below and I will answer anything there. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more great gardening content from Arber.